It has been a great day for ELCINA to organize the 48th edition of these awards, which recognize excellence in electronics, manufacturing and services. It has been a long journey for us over the last 48 years, starting in 1976, and it's very satisfying to see that there is increasing interest in these awards. And I find that from the point of view of ELCINA, the hard work that we have done and the transparency that we have in these awards has been appreciated by the industry. We are also very grateful to MITEI, the Ministry of Electronics and IT, for helping us and for supporting us, and especially for all their senior officials to be here. Today, Mr. Bhuvnesh Kumar, Additional Secretary, was here as our chief guest. We are really honored and we thank them for being here. I invite more and more companies to participate in these awards, and we hope that we will continue to encourage excellence in this area. Thank you so much.